In this app tutorial, we're going to go over basic traffic and analytics for your app. Now this particular app is a more advanced version, so you'll see a little bit more of the capabilities. Click on the menu over here on the left and go down to your audience. We'll give you the option to see all the different stats and ways to reach your audience within your app. If you click on traffic, it gives you a basic overview of how many people have viewed the app, who's downloaded it, how often it's been used, and what days it's been used. Most of all, up here at the top, you can see what program it's been used in, and who's using that most. And then you can also organize this by when it's been used: last 30 days, all time, last month, etc. The next you have is your technical. It shows you who's using this overall versus Apple over Android, who's downloaded it, what iOS system they're using, and just kind of see what your user base looks like. Next, you have your social. So this really shows who's downloading it and where. Now everybody's going to have some outliers over here in California because that's Apple testing the app. You may have somebody over here testing it as well in a different country. But mainly what you guys are going to see is wherever you live or wherever you're broadcasting this, whether it's massive or a local app, you can see who's downloading that and where. Next, you have your monetization. This is mainly for if you want to send out an ad. I can show you how to do that. You can send that specifically to any one in particular. This one here kind of shows our welcome video. You can do the internal ad network. You can add a new campaign. This one shows welcome video, kind of pops up when people want to see the app, and you can turn that off or on to activate it whenever you want. Kind of shows you that it's been displayed 182 times, 5 people clicked on it, ratio 3%, what platforms. And simple enough, you just click a new one, you can add it, where do you want to send it to, and what the rules of the campaign is. This is none, set up to, it'll just run forever until you turn it off. You can have a period of time that you want it to be opened. And impressions is how many times it will pop up in front of somebody's face. And then also clicks is how many times it's been clicked on before it closes and doesn't work anymore. And you can add this, and that goes into adding, we should call this test, and that goes into adding just whatever kind of types you want to do with a campaign. So you have banners versus splash screen, which will show the whole app. People can easily click around that. And then you just have to upload what kind of that banner with the requirements for the size. Same thing for your splash screen. Then the big thing is when they click on that on the ad, where is it going to take them? What part of the app do you want to send them to? So you can select that from here. You just click save and send, and that's how you do a campaign. And then you can promote it through different aspects of your website or just on the internet in different ways. And that's all done through these different kind of things, and you can customize your preview and what that will look like. Buttons work in a similar way, being able to upload it to different websites to share that around. Your basic sharing, you can share it quickly on Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr, Google+. You can also build a QR code, so people could, you could download this, you can put it on different business cards or on flyers that you're passing out. People will be able to scan it and go directly to your app. And then the rating button. If you want people to rate your app, kind of share what's going on with it, you can have that pop up on their app whenever you want. And that is your basic of your audience, how you do see your analytics and just engage your audience to see how your app is functioning for them.